for electrifying innovations that empower everyday life and elevate the Philippine manufacturing sector. STMicrolectronics is a Meralco Enterprise Industrial Luminary for 2023. I'm thrilled to report that Europe's largest semiconductor contract manufacturing and design company, STMicrolectronics Incorporated, has been calling the Philippines its home for over 2 decades now. I'm here for a chat with General Manager Alulo. So I understand this is your 5th posting. So what's it like so far?
Very easy, because really I have a very strong team here and they help me a lot. So I'm very happy to be here.
We're in the middle of a digital revolution. The demand for semiconductors all over the world is at an all-time high.
Actually, our objective is to lead the Asian market. And Philippines is really one of our growing centers.
And with rapid growth comes increasingly rapid power requirements, right?
Comparing 2019 versus 2023, we increased our power demand from 12.3 to 13.4. And what really helped us with the new substation of 115 kV built with the help of Meralco, let's say, in a much better position.
How reliable has Meralco been as your partner?
Meralco has been really outstanding. They went beyond and above because they have been helping on improving the quality of our power. If you will compare the data, you will see that we moved from a 34 kV to a 115 kV. So we requested Meralco to provide us with this 11 kV service by January 23. What Meralco did was no mean feat. They made it happen in a record time. This have led to a significant improvement in our power quality and greatly reduced our power disruptions.
And have these eliminated the use of your gas fuel generators?
Oh, definitely. Our entire power requirement are powered by Meralco grid, and we are able to significantly reduce our greenhouse gas emissions. We want to bring ST closer to meeting our global goal of being carbon neutral by 2027.
Your collaboration with Meralco is truly far-reaching.
I have to acknowledge that this project have also boosted Laguna's power capacity, which created more job opportunities in the community and has helped boost the country's economic recovery.
We look forward to your business growing even further, as well as your partnership with Meralco.
What a great honor and what a wonderful start for me. Thank you, Meralco.
STMicrolectronics is a Meralco Enterprise Industrial Luminary for 2023.